Hi guys, my name is Tamara. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Spanish rice, so stick around and stay tuned. I have 11 ounces of cherry tomatoes. It's just a whole pack. You can use 2 Roma tomatoes instead. And then I got 2 cups of long grain white rice. And I got 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, or you can use a cube, and then a quarter of an onion, 1 tomato bouillon cube, which is optional, and 1 clove of garlic. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we're going to blend this up in the blender. Add the tomatoes and the onion, and then 1 clove of garlic, the tomato bouillon, and the spices. And then I'm going to add in the water. Okay. Oh, this way. And then those 2 cups. Alrighty. On high. Make sure it's well blended. It should be 4 cups now. Almost. Need a little bit more water. Okay, so we're adding. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
The girl, she goes to the same school as me.
So add a little bit more water because it needs 4 cups to make 2 cups of rice. Alright, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put in about 4 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. And then once this is hot, I'm gonna fry the rice until it gets golden brown. Okay, now I'm gonna once it's hot, keep moving it around until it's golden brown. Don't leave it because it will burn fast, so you just keep moving around. Okay, it should look like this, a golden color. And this is when you add your sauce in. Don't let it burn though. Once it's golden, we add our sauce in that we blended. Smells so good already. I'm going to get it to a boil and cover it. You can taste it to see if it needs salt. You can add salt. I think it'll taste perfect. And also, you can add vegetables right now. This is the time to add it in. You can put carrots, peas, whatever you like in there. Or you can just leave it like that. And then put the top on it. Let it come to a complete boil. And then we turn it down and don't take the top off until it's done. And leave it for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender. Alright, now that it's boiling, I'm going to turn it down to low, simmer it for 15, put the timer. If it's not done by then, I'll give it an extra 5 minutes. Okay, so now our rice is done. Turn the timer off. It's been 15 minutes and it looks perfect. So now we're just going to move it around with a fork. and fluff it a little bit.
I want water.
Huh?
Yeah.
There we go. There you have it. Perfect Spanish rice. I'm just gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. And it's done. Alright.
That's yummy.
Alright, now it's ready to be served. Oh my goodness. So beautiful and fluffy. Look at that, so pretty. Hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you made it, how it came out, where you're from, whatever you want to say, just say hi. Thanks for watching.